everybody, how y'all doing? Anyway, today started out to be a rough Father's Day. First of all, I called my dad, and my mom had me on her watch phone, her iPhone watch, and so she said, you gotta talk to him on my phone watch. I said, okay. And she was just a minute. So she gets up, he's talking to me. I said, happy Father's Day. He asks about my shoulder, and he says, okay, well, it's good to hear from you. Talk to you later. That was it. I was like, I love you, Daddy. And he goes, I love you too. So today is Father's Day. My dad was so ready to go to church this morning that he didn't care if it was Father's Day or not. But I am doing a banana pudding, and it's not so sugar-free. No. I mean, it's somewhat healthy, but it's not so sugar-free. So the only thing that's not sugar-free is the vanilla wafers and the sweetened condensed milk and the bananas. Bananas are high in sugar. A lot of people don't know that. A lot of people are like, oh, potassium, potassium, potassium. No, really, they're high in they're real high in sugar. And a lot of the desserts that I have seen in the past, they don't have a lot of desserts with bananas. So anyway, but I'm going to flip y'all around and show y'all what we need, and then we're going to put it together. Oh, and I also forgot. We had a neighborhood full of it's a Muslim holiday. Adelaide, I don't know how to pronounce it. But it's a Muslim holiday, and my roommate went outside to tell them that they can't park by the fire hydrant. And needless to say, I went out thinking he had his house key. I didn't have my house key, but thinking he had his house key, yeah, I locked the door. And he comes up and he goes, I said, okay, I'm ready. And I shut the door, and he goes, I don't have my keys. And I was like, you're kidding, right? And he goes, no, why? I said, I just locked the door. So his sister had to come home and let us in, and then we took her to lunch and breakfast. So that's how my day's been. So anyway, I guess turning 58 this week is kind of catch up to me. Anyway, so this is Father's Day, and I'm gonna flip y'all around because this is one of my dad's favorite desserts, but I'm gonna try to make it as healthy as we can. Okay, what we're gonna need is we're gonna need whipping cream. Instead of buying the whipping cream, I'm gonna make it vanilla wafers. I'm sure they have the sugar-free vanilla wafers, but I don't know. Vitamin D milk. Yes, it's June 16th. Today is June 16th, so we're gonna get rid of the milk today. Bananas. I got sugar-free, fat-free vanilla pudding, sweetened condensed milk, and
some would say it's all too late when the fire is all burnt out. Maybe I just swallowed the bait, but in my mind there was no doubt. You really got me doing what you want, like I forgot when to go yes or no, and everything I say just comes out wrong. I guess I worry too much. It's in the way you got me trembling, and everything I was doesn't matter anymore. It's in the way you got me dreaming, and everything I had, I don't even care, 'cause you're worth it. 'Cause you're worth it. 'Cause you're worth it. Some would say I'm better off playing safe, stay with what I know. It's in the way you got me trembling, and everything I was doesn't matter anymore. It's in the way you got me dreaming, and everything I had, I don't even care, 'cause you're worth it. 'Cause you're worth it. Maybe it's the way you walk. You just got me. You just got me somehow. And I don't need to go back now. And I don't care, 'cause you're worth it. It's in the way you got me trembling, and everything I was doesn't matter anymore. It's in the way you got me dreaming, and everything I had, I don't even care, 'cause you're worth it. Because you're worth it. 'Cause you're worth it. Because you're worth it. Because you're worth it. Oh, tell me how you could just leave my side and just forget me and all the things we did together. Oh, tell me why you couldn't even try to meet me halfway. I gave you all I had, but it didn't seem to be enough. You got yourself someone new who's not for you. You're not worth it, but I can help myself again and keep thinking of you. You love me, no forgiving, no forgetting, but I keep missing you. Oh, ever since the day you called it off, I thought things over. And what I didn't know then, I know now, so go yourself. I would really like to see you try to win me over. If this is making me confused, it must have really, really messed me up. You got yourself someone new who's not for you. You're not worth it, but I can help myself again and keep thinking of you. You love me, no forgiving, no forgetting, but I keep missing you. I can't let go. I can't get you out of my head. Can you just try to come back? Because I keep missing you. You're not worth it, but I can help myself again and keep thinking of you. You're not worth it, but I can help myself again and keep thinking of you. You love me, no forgiving, no forgetting, but I keep missing you. You're not worth it, but I can help myself again and keep thinking of you.
like this one. Stay tuned for more. See y'all later. Bye. And that, my friends, is going to be our dessert, banana pudding.